Hello everyone, this is Mr. Appel. I'm not going to walk through the first few steps, but you're welcome to pause here and take a look. Make sure that you've got that in some form. Again, you could use something other than factoring to solve if you choose. But here at the end, it looks very similar to the last problem. Notice that because again, the leading coefficient was +1, parabola opens up, so these intervals are positive, the ones in the middle are negative. The difference is in this question, the inequality is a greater than. Numbers greater than 0 are positive numbers. So there's actually two different places that happens. All the real numbers over here that are less than -7 give me numbers greater than 0, right? The output is greater than 0 because those are positive y values. Same thing happens over here, numbers greater than 2. So on a number line, the way you would mark that, you would indicate that, is you would highlight everything that way to the left of -7 and everything to the right of 2. And of course, we're including the -7 and the 2 because it's or equal. So it's all in words. Our solution then is the x is all the real numbers less than -7, less than or equal to -7, and also all the real numbers greater than or equal to 2. So that's kind of a mouthful. That's why someone cleverly invented interval notation. So the two intervals are as follows. The one on the left over here is from negative forever, so negative infinity, all the way up to -7. And then the second interval is all the numbers from 2 to infinity. So with interval notation, we use the endpoints, or infinities, because that's not really an endpoint. So -infinity to -7, 2 to infinity. And then for the appropriate brackets, infinities always get parens, because parentheses means you don't actually include that number, and you can never actually get to infinity. It's not a number you include. We use the square bracket on the -7 and on the 2, because we want to include -7 and include 2 in our solution, again, because it's or equal. Right? We're not just looking for numbers greater than 0, we're also looking for numbers equal to 0. And then we join those two intervals together with the union symbol, which looks just like a capital U. In Canvas, the way you're going to type this, hopefully you saw this already, -inf to -7, square bracket, capital U, square bracket, 2, inf paren, with no spaces. That's all for now. Thanks.